Hello Internet, I am Xenoun and welcome to Risk of Rain. Risk of Rain is an indie roguelike game. Got it just recently. Only played through once when I was trying to record. It wasn't working too well, so stopped the recording and kept going, but I think I've got all my problems solved now. So yeah, we'll head on in with the commando. I have not unlocked anything yet. And yeah, I've only played one round that was about 10 minutes long. There we go, working alright. And we can probably get this straight off the bat. Nice. Please don't let me give me anything. Okay, so yeah, for those who don't know anything about Risk of Rain, basically it's a roguelike platformer sort of game. And you have a difficulty that increases with time. So if you look over on the right side of the screen, it says difficulty very easy at the moment, but it's counting up in time. And eventually it will max out, although I think even then it still increases, just doesn't show a bar anymore. And the main objective that I'm looking for is this thing right here, because it's a teleporter. And you have to activate this, fight a boss. Oh, not this thing. I don't like this one. Yeah, you fight the boss when you activate it, and you have to basically kill it and every other enemy that's spawned to be able to go through to the next area. Oh, this is tough. Okay, time to get out of here. So I have to survive for another 45 seconds, which looks to be fairly hard on this boss. This won't help me at all. Oh gosh, this could be a very quick run. Wow. Okay, so that boss was not a good one for me to fight straight off. Still learning the game, I'm not sure exactly what I could have done better there. But hey, we get to start out somewhere, don't we? Last time I got the Colossus, and he was much easier. Perhaps I was just a bit under-geared and I should have farmed a bit more first. Probably a better idea. There we go, we get this chest. No idea what this is, it's a shield. Nice. See now, the choices down the bottom there, I can buy one of those 3 items for 25 bucks. We've already found the teleporter again. Okay, you won't go to it just yet, this time. Won't rush it. Just, you always have that pressure of time. Yeah, anyway, those 3, because I'm not quite familiar with the items yet, I don't know what the best choice is going to be, which makes it a little hard. Right, there was a use item there, which could be good or it could be horrible. And then the others are obviously passive items, but yeah, I've got no idea basically what it comes down to. Oh, a smaller version of that flying thing. A jellyfish. There you go. I do like that you don't have to actually run over and pick things up like in most games. How about I do... Didn't jump. Yeah. Fail. Try it again. No. Oh, I'll go the other way. Okay, you're a weird fella. No worries, took it out. Okay, we keep going up. I think once we hit the next difficulty, it's probably about time to go searching for the teleporter, even though I already know where it is. I'm hoping we'll encounter something. Here's some items. Something that's worth it. I'd like to get one of those $50 chests. Now I know this thing here is a heal. I might get this. This is my use item. Should help me out since I'm new. Okay, easy done. Now I'll kill these guys so I don't have to come back here later. Okay, stuff that. It's gonna keep spawning. Turn around here. Thank you. Okay. I wonder if I can get this. Oh, close. So close. There we go. What is it? Rapidly heal outside of combat. Nice. That will undoubtedly help. Farm these guys a little to get enough health. Not health. Enough cash to be able to buy this thing. There we go. It's another boxing glove. That's not too bad, it's just knockback. Over here we don't have enough cash. Gasoline, that's what this can here is, a chance to set the ground on fire, I think it is, when enemies die. I unlocked that last time in my first little attempt. I think what we'll do is go find that teleporter, start it up, and then maybe go back for those items there. Yeah, knockback's not too bad. Helps keep them at range. Okay, we got a couple chests down there too. See how much money we get from killing this dude. Whatever it ends up being. Magma worm, okay. So my abilities, if you didn't know what they're doing, I forgot to talk about them. I did last time the first recording, so that's kind of my issue at the moment, is that I have talked about all this stuff, but it was in the recording that didn't work out. Abilities is, number one is this double shot that I just fire, I just rapidly fire 2 shots repeatedly over and over. Time to jump down. I was not expecting 1,000 dudes to be there. Number 2 is the piercing shot that goes through a line of dudes. Been using that a lot. And number 4 is this quick rapid fire that pushes people back a little and stuns. I think you're immune if you're in a ladder. Nope. Not at all. I'm dead. Okay. Alright guys, that's my intro for this game. I did better last time, I assure you. What I'm going to do is go ahead and practice a bit and figure out exactly how to use this character. And maybe unlock some more items, because that's what these will show here, I think. Part of my issue is I'm new to the game, so I don't know exactly what to get. If you got any advice for me, feel free to leave it in the comments. And yeah, I'll come back next time, hopefully a little bit better, a little bit less hopeless. 3 deaths now. Alright guys, yeah, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.